I'm here to show you give a little demonstration on the very basic motorcycle maintenance. Now this is a Monster 796. It's got a single-sided swing arm, chain driven, so I'm going to show you a little bit about how to maintain that. Normally the bike is on the side stand as it is now. It's very handy to have a paddock stand. This paddock stand, you can put that in the rear wheel. When you've got it fully in, you can see it there. You push down, just take it easy, and the bike stands up straight. When you push down on the paddock stand, the bike will come up and it sits safely. If you want to get the bike back down again, let it down, hold on to this, make sure your stand is out, and let it rest back on the stand, and you can take out the paddock stand again. Chain adjustment on a Ducati single-sided swing arm. Now there's basically 3 tools you need. I have 4 of them here. Some of you might do it differently. You might need an Allen key, and you need basically 2 a cleaning agent and a chain loop. Now first of all, you have to measure. You can measure the chain slack in the chain, and this one here we can see is very loose. It's at 75 mil. Now, they want it between 60 to 62. So now you need to adjust the chain. To adjust it, you need, in this bike, you need a 40 mil spanner. You have to open these screws simultaneously. Once that's done, you've got the special Ducati chain tool. And you get that on the back there, and you can see now the chain is actually tightening up. Now we're going to measure. It's at about 62 now, so I'll give a little bit more. $58, a little bit too tight. Come back down. Get the length inside. That's at 60, so that's actually perfect. Always check. Sometimes chains have a tendency to be different lengths in different spots, not that there's a tight spot in it. And it actually, see, it's fine at 60. Now, tighten that back up. When you're tightening, tighten evenly. If you do one side and the other side, you'll end up bending stuff. So tighten up these bolts evenly. And that's it, job done. Oil level. Now in order to check the oil level, you have to have the bike on a paddock stand. Reason being that the oil will go to the left or to the right depending on the angle. Paddock stand on a level, flat surface, then you can actually check the oil. Now there's a small little oil gauge here. You can zoom in and you can see the max is there, minimum is there. So your oil level is actually slightly high on this bike, but that's how to check if there's enough oil in the bike. Oil to fill it, you need to open up this, which is actually very tight. Pour the oil in there till it's at the right level and close it again. Now tyre pressure, do it regularly. If they're too low, too high, it really makes a huge difference. Back tyre. In general, motorcycles 2.5 bars at the back. Front, 2.25 bars. Check them with a good gauge. Don't use cheap ones because there could be a third of a bar, no problem difference in them. 2.5. Check the front. See if I can get in there. .25. Now, when you don't use bikes for maybe a month, you need to trickle charge the battery. Now, very advisable, you can take out the battery, charge it, but it's much handier if you make a socket on the bike, like I've done here. I don't know if you can see this. I made an extra socket that's connected directly to the battery. You can attach your charger. Plug it in. And now you can see the charger testing the battery, seeing if it needs to be charged. Does it need to be charged? It will charge it.